Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Pinasukan tayo ng buko mga tropa. Ang ganda ng buko na pumasok sa atin, no? Long ride, 469 pesos. Titikapin natin sa Mercury Ampid. Nandun daw siya, nakatext ko na. Ihatid natin to sa Teresa Rizal. Tara, tikapin na natin to. Baka magbago pa isip ni ma'am. Nasa Mercury daw siya eh. Hindi tayo tumanda sa Petron Ampid. So, hindi mo Mercury. Puntahan natin doon ang customer natin. First time ko makakapaghatid dito mga tropa sa Teresa Rizal. Tara, let's go! Lapit na ako ma'am. Nandito na tayo sa BRT rin. Ayan. Maximum. Ano ba yun? Kisha? Sige ma'am. Papuntang Teresa Rizal? Papuntang Teresa Rizal po. 469. Tapos cash daw siya magbabayad. Pero kasi cash na nakalagay dito sa buhay. Okay naman. So tawid tayo. Pick up na natin yung customer natin mga tropa. 32 kilometers yung tatakboyin natin papuntang Teresa Rizal. Malayo-layo ito. First time ko makakapaghatid doon. Wala naman traffic ngayon dahil linggo ngayon. Tara, hatid na natin.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Kaping na kami. Nag-iinit yung puwet ko. Ano ma'am? 0927. Okay ma'am. Sige ma'am, thank you ma'am. Yatid na natin yung customer natin dito mga tropa sa Teresa Rizal. Mabilis naman yung naging biyahe namin, wala naman traffic. Kaya lang, nag-init pa rin yung pet ko sa layo ng biyahe. Complete trip. Ay, pasukan kaya tayo ng booking dito. Sana naman, pasukan tayo. Labas na tayo. Na tayo magabang sa labas. Wait lang, stop up na muna ako para sigurado. 66 na lang yung top up ko eh. Baka hindi ako pasukan ng long ride pabalik. Okay, nakapag-top up na tayo. Labas na tayo. 100% na pa nato. Overcharge pa. Laya ng biyahe natin. Dito tayo sa Teresa Rizal. Meron kaya dito? Kasi wala akong nakasalubong na joyride eh. Wala akong nakasalubong na mga kasundo natin dito eh.